Ready for a bedroom tour of our catamaran Maxim 400. Here we go. Right, we have got lovely storage on this side for storage. I'll share with you in another one what that is. But this is our lovely bed. Hi guys. And since this is our main sleeping area, we decided that we were going to change our mattresses and get a real mattress instead. So this is what we had before. As you can see, it's really thin. I can pop my thumb and my index finger over it. And so what we've done, we've actually doubled up on two in our spare cabin, which I'll give you a tour of when it's not as messy. And so what we have now is this beast, this awesome dude. A proper foam mattress. However, the challenge came with trying to get it in through this little cabin door. Not just that, but also down these steps. Hold on. So down these steps, there we go. Trying to get a good big, double mattress into this area was a feat in itself. We were squeezing, we were pushing, we were shoving. Literally something that we thought would take maybe like 5 minutes to get this gorgeous mattress in here took 45 minutes, nearly a full hour to get her in here. Then not just that, but once we got her into kind of like this space here, we then somehow had to navigate her in the small area to get her onto our bed. That again was funny. We had Craig like on all fours pulling and shoving. I was shoving the mattress from the back. It was hilarious. I'm sorry I did not get any videos of that because that would have been interesting. Anyway, next plan for our bedroom is that I really want to get some nice sheets, mattress protector, key, because this mattress is never ever coming out of here again. Don't think that's happening. So I have become anal about keeping hatches closed, especially anytime we go out, kind of like, Moise, is the hatch closed? Because if there is water that gets into here, I have no idea how we're going to dry this baby. So very anal at the moment about keeping windows closed in here when we are not around, and very nervous of any wind, rain I should say. Wind doesn't matter, rain. But the next plan is to get really nice duvet covers and pillowcases, and let me know if you've got any nice designs. I want something that's a funky design. I want something that is 100% cotton. I'm not into like the half poly cotton stuff. I really want a nice one, and I don't want something that's boring white. I want something that's a little bit more entertaining. So if you have any ideas, if you have any pictures or suggestions of where to pick some up, let me know in the comments below. That would be really awesome. And when I've got something new, I'll share it with you guys as well. See you.